So this is the balcony garden, and I'm going to show you a time lapse of how one of our plant was almost dead, and then we poured a little bit of water and it's coming back up with full energy. So here's a time lapse. Okay, so that was the time lapse of our plant, and now it's actually doing pretty good. Let me just quickly show you. See, it's doing pretty good. This guy tends to need a lot of water. I've noticed that usually all these plants we don't water them on a daily basis because we're supposed to water them alternate days and make sure that the soil is not completely dry. But though this guy's soil was pretty wet, he needed a little bit more water. Looks like this guy needs a little bit more water than the other plants over here. So yeah, hope you guys like the time lapse, and I'll see you again with another video.